Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make a simple lavender sugar scrub using Nature Restore's lavender flower buds. For this recipe, it's super simple. All you need is 2 cups of sugar, half a cup of coconut oil, lavender essential oils, and our Nature Restore lavender flower buds. You're going to start by adding the sugar. You're then going to add 2 teaspoons of Nature Restore's lavender flower buds. You'll add 20 to 25 drops of the lavender essential oils. You're then going to add your softened coconut oil. And then you're going to mix until you get a sandy paste texture. And the coconut oil also can harden in room temperature, so it's okay to also use your hands. Once you're all done mixing it up, all you're going to do is put it in an airtight container or jar. And now that this lavender sugar scrub is sealed, it's perfect as a DIY gift or even a perfect addition to your skincare routine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.